Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel ZD Chemistry. Today's topic is the last topic in lesson some natural phenomena. Let's start with our topic, and the topic is protection from earth, protection from earthquake or measures to take during earthquake. In this particular lesson, we will know about certain steps or certain measures which we must take or which we must follow during any earthquake. The first measure, it is usually before construction of any house or construction of any structure or construction of any building. We must take the help of qualified architect and qualified engineers so that they will advise us how any structure or how any building or how any project can be started, or how the said building or how the said structure can be protected from, or can be protected during any earthquake, or can be protected from earthquake. This is the first and most important step. And another step is that is in case of seismic zones or seismic plates, or those regions where the extent of earthquake is very much high. In such zones, the houses or other residential structures, they must be of the mud, they must be of mud, or they must be of timber, or they must be of wood, so that during earthquake, what will happen? Such structures do not get destabilized easily, or such structures, if such structures can fall apart or they can fall down, this mud or this wood can be recycled again, and we can prepare the same structure again after the end of this earthquake. Also, in seismic zones, the roof of this house or roof of any residential structures, that must be as light as possible. Even in case that structure will fall down, it will cause very less damage to the property as well as to the human life. Another is there that cupboards or shelves, they must be fixed. So that during shaking of the earth, or during earthquake, or during the tremors, what will happen? These cupboards or these cupboards or shelves, or the substances which are present in these cupboards or in shelves, they cannot fall down. Wall collar, that must be fixed. Photo frame, that must be fixed. That must be fixed very strongly. Or water heaters, usually we call them as geysers, that must not fall very easily. And usually during this earthquake, there is a result of fire. We must have certain firefighting equipments, to protect this building, or to protect this structure from causing fire. We must have certain firefighting equipments, so that, or we can state that fire extinguishers must be there, so that we must douse this fire which is caused during this earthquake as early as possible. And if we will be at home, or in our inside our houses, or inside our homes, or indoors, we must take during earthquake, we must take shelter under table, or we must take shelter under any structure. We must stay away in the room. We must stay away from the heavy objects like clocks, like photo frames, like cupboards, or like these water heaters, or like electric fans, or like TV sets. We must we must stay away from such objects. And if we will be at bed, we should not come out from the bed. We must cover our head with the pillows, so that if anything will fall on us, or that will fall directly towards our head, we can protect ourselves, or our head, or our this brain from any sort of injury. If we will be outdoors, or away from our houses, or outside our houses, we must be away from the buildings. We must stay away from the buildings. We must stay away from the tall structures. We must stay away from the trees. If we will be in the car, we have to slow down our car, or we have to ask to the driver of the car that please slow down the car, and we must not come out from the car, or we must be inside the car, so that we can protect ourselves from this earthquake. This was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.